create and erase on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution on your Flip app. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on create down here. So when you click here on create, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on go to earrings here dashboard. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Here you will find all analytics you have. So then you click here on start now. So you just click on it, then it's going to take you to create on your Flip app. So if I click here, it's going to take me to shop list because here I have no verify account. But if you have it, automatically it's going to take you to create on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.